What's up, everybody? It's your boy JoeBob1232 here with another duel video between Abraham and Jordan. So let's roll.
1 to 5. Okay, I'll go first.
Okay, so Abraham's going first. See your
Draw.
hand.
It's playable.
Okay.
Set. All set. Normal. Tribute. Special. Effect of the asset. This actually probably should have waited till next turn and then done this. I just realized what I could have done. Oh well.
Miss your hand. Okay.
Get rid of the 2. I go into boundary. Entering.
Activate factory.
MSD.
Summon warrior.
Sure.
Set 2 back row, go.
Draw. Wreck the screen.
Did you draw? Oh, you drew. You're broken.
Convocation. Hieratic Dragon to Sue. See if I can find it. Hey, Sean. Reborn. Fuck. Oh well. Tribute. Special. Effect. Special.
What's that?
Sure. Tribute to normal. Effect. Then I do get an effect, unfortunately, because I misplayed. Oh wow.
It's in
Bounce.
attack mode or defense mode?
Special. Some defense. Super for 8. Stardust. Enter battle. Attack.
Sea prison?
Damn.
I didn't see that coming. Attack. Pass turn. You've taken 15.
Go. What's the other
No,
card
no,
in your hand?
don't draw.
Okay.
What'd
you set? Can I see what you said? Okay.
I'm drawing weird right now. Convocation. So broke. So weird, but so broke. Normal. Banish. Special. Effect.
See how
Okay. Hand. Attack. 28. Pass turn.
That's game. Okay, game
You're
one.
another Baylor.
Won by Hieratic. Like, comment, subscribe.